Let's bring in our certified force warning meteorologist, Brooke Silverring. Brooke, we've been so concerned with the heat locally. We also got to talk about the heat that's going on in the Gulf and the Atlantic, that it's affecting these tropical systems.
That is right, Chris. Water plays such an important role in the development of tropical systems, and the Atlantic is the warmest it's been on record since meteorologists started tracking this back in 1979. And even the Gulf of Mexico broke a new record this summer, reaching 88 degrees for the first time since 1989. So that's some really hot waters. Hurricanes need the water to be around 80 degrees or above, and this acts as fuel for hurricanes to further intensify. Experts say that the ocean has already absorbed 90% of the warming that has occurred in recent decades due to increasing greenhouse gases. It's called rapid intensification, and this happens when hurricane winds increase by 35 miles per hour within a 24-hour period. Reporting in studio, meteorologist Brooke Silverring.